Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This book is Qasasun Nabiyyin Al-Juzu Sani, and here we are going to start chapter 1, and this is chapter 1 in page number 8. Safinatu Nuh. Safinatu Nuh. Boat of Nuh. You can say also Ark of Nuh. Nuh alayhi salam. Ba'da Adam. After Adam. It means after Adam alayhi salam. Barakallahu fi dhurriyyati Adam. فَكَانَ فِيهَا رِجَالٌ كَثِيرٌ وَنِسَاءٌ. Allah blessed in fi zurriyati Adam. Fi means in. Zurriyati Adam. Zurriya means we can say breed. B-R-E-E-D. B-R-E-E-D. Breed. Also we can say descendants. Descendants. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-A-N-T-S. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-A-N-T-S. Descendants. Allah blessed in descendants of Adam. In descendants of Adam. فَكَانَ فِيهَا رِجَالٌ كَثِيرٌ وَنِسَاءٌ. So there were many men and women in it. Fiha. Fiha means fi dhurriya. وَانْتَشَرَتْ ذُرِّيَّةُ آدَمْ وَكَثُرَتْ. وَانْتَشَرَتْ. Intashara means spreaded. Intashara is past, so spreaded. وَانْتَشَرَتْ ذُرِّيَّةُ Adam. Descendants of Adam. Intasharat spreaded. Descendants of Adam spreaded. وَكَثُرَتْ. And increased. Kasura means to increase. وَكَثُرَتْ. This is also past. And increased. فَلَوْ رَجَعَ آدَمُ وَرَأَى أَوْلَادَهُ لَمَا عَرَفَ. So, if, law means if, law raja'a Adamu, if Adam alayhi salam will return. Raja'a actually it is past, but we have to translate in future. Law raja'a Adam, falaw raja'a Adamu. So, if Adam alayhi salam will return, come back, wara'a awladahu, and he will see his sons, lama arafa, he will not recognize. Yeah, he would not recognize. وَلَوْ قِيلَ لَهُ. لَوْ قِيلَ لَهُ means if he was told. If he was told, هَذِهِ ذُرِّيَّتُكَ. This is your zurriya, your descendants, your breed. هَذِهِ ذُرِّيَّتُكَ. This is your descendants. Ya Adam, O Adam. Ya means O. لَتَعَجَّبَ كَثِيرًا. لَتَعَجَّبَ كَثِيرًا. He surprised too much. He surprised too much. Ta'ajjaba means to surprise. Kathiran means too much. Hai na? He surprised too much. Waqal, and he said, it means he will say, Subhanallah. Glory be to Allah. Subhanallah. Glory be to Allah. Ha'ulai kulluhum awladi. Ha'ulai. These are all of them my sons. It means my sons and my daughters, everything. Waladun, singular, awlad is plural, means sons. Ha'ulai, these are kulluhum awladi. All of them my son. Hadihi kulluha dhurriyati. Hadihi kulluha dhurriyati. And these all are my zurriya, my descendants. وكانت لذرية آدم قرى كثيرة. وكانت لذرية آدم. وكانت لذرية آدم قرى كثيرة. And لذرية آدم, there were very villages. قرى كثيرة, very villages, very villages for the descendants of Adam. وَبَنَوْا بُيُوتًا كَثِيرَةً, and they built many houses, many homes. وَكَانُوا يَحْرُثُونَ الْأَرْضَ, and they were harvesting and plowing. Plow, plow means يحرث, حرث يحرث, So they were plowing, yeah, we can say they were harvesting the earth. وَيَزْرَعُونَ, and they were cultivating. Zara yazra'u means to cultivate something, है ना, to product something. وَيَزْرَعُونَ, and they were cultivating. وَيَعِيشُونَ, and they were living. وَكَانَ النَّاسُ عَلَى دِينِ أَبِيهِمْ آدَمَ, and the people were on the religion of their father Adam, on the religion of their father Adam. يَعْبُدُونَ اللَّهَ, they were worshipping Allah. وَلَا يُشْرِكُونَ بِهِ شَيْئًا,